All right, welcome to day 6 or 5. I'm already losing count. I'm cooked, man, but it's fine. I'm doing this video very late. I was very busy with my school extracurriculars and other things, but I still gotta do this, man. I cannot, I cannot lose this, streak. This is this is one of those things where I gotta keep myself accountable on. But yeah, I don't have much time today, so I think I'm gonna just try to do this leetcode problem. But hopefully I can solve it. I've never solved this problem before, so let's see. So given an array of hold on, let me check off. I already did that. Never mind. Given an array of points, okay, where points is an array or like a tuple-ish of xy coordinates, return the k closest points to the origin 0, 0. Okay, distance between the 2 points is the Euclidean distance. You may return answer in any order. The answer is going to be unique. Okay, well, the distance between k closest points to the origin. Oh, I see. Which is 0, 0. Okay. I see. We can have a min heap. Some kind of min heap that stores that stores some value. What is this k value? I can maybe, okay, I guess k is like the kth smallest or closest, right? So I would pop k times once I create some kind of heap, I think. That's my guess. Hold on, let me double check it. Yeah. That's my guess. Oh yeah, I'm gonna time myself. If I can't do this in 30 minutes, I'll just look at the answer. So the distance between 1, 3 to the origin is square root 10. Okay. So we have to return the tuple itself. What does k represent again? K closest. Yeah, it's just the closest. So this is the second closest value, right? I can have like a map that stores I think, what was it? I have to keep some kind of heap, which is like the smallest value, and then pop k times. I guess if these are tied or something. Let's do the math in their head here. I don't want to do the math in my head. We want the closest points from the origin, so the answer is just 2, 2. So 1 is the closest. What is k? Yeah, 1. Okay, 1 is the smallest. 2 is the second smallest or closest to the origin. Why? then shouldn't does this produce the same result or something? Huh. Return the k closest points to the 0, 0 between 2 points on the xy plane in the Euclidean distance is turn the answer in any order. The answer is guaranteed to be unique. I was thinking of some kind of map. Like you can have a tuple, right? Have this as a tuple, and the I think I'm getting it. Not sure. Like given an array of points, the k closest points to the origin. And I'm just putting them in a heap, right? I'm storing their distance from the heap, but I need to somehow map the two together, you know? Now is the distance, let me see, is the distance going to be unique? If it is, I would make it a keep, but I don't think it is. It has to be. Because in order to have the same distance, well, the distance, no, that's not true. Distance isn't necessarily unique. Okay. Well, I'm not sure then. I don't know. How do I... Because I can think of a way to store it, and I just need a way to, like, you know, map the two. I gotta read the docs for the heapify. I need to see if we can store different data types. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how else to do this. So if we can use, if we want to use, so if one is basically the closest to the origin, second is like the second closest. So I get what to do. I just don't know how to do like the pairing because I need to keep the I can keep this stored, right? I'm confused on why this is 2. Do they have the same distance? If they do, then that actually makes things easier. I can have the distance as the key and the value as a list of points with that distance, and that would be the kth thing, right? Like I would have a heap and I'll have a map, like a dictionary. So the dictionary would be the corresponding keys, the corresponding points that have the distance to origin, right? So for instance, these are the keys, and then it would be a list, and the value would be a list of points. I think that would work. I think that's a good starting point because I need to write up a solution. So let's actually import heap q. So what am I gonna do? So let's actually, I need to process my thoughts here. So what am I doing here? So I'm saying create a map of where the keys are the distances to the origin and the value where the keys are the distance to the origins and the values are a list of points that have that distance, right? Create a map where the keys are the distances, and then create a heap that keeps track of create a heap that keeps track of the smallest distance from the origin, and pop twice, pop the heap k times, and the head of the heap is the kth closest distance, and return that list. That's an assumption that they have the same distance. I'm praying that it is. I don't want to do the answer. I don't want to do the math. If it's not, then that just messes up everything. So create a map where the keys are the distances to the origin. Okay, so I need to calculate distance. I say pairs, I guess, right? And then for every p in points, x, y, e, let's say points, point, pairs. Well, let's calculate the formula. So let's do this. So it's distance is equal to x minus 0 squared plus the same thing but y. And then I need to square root this so I can multiply by 1/2, which is 0.5. Very disgusting looking formula, but that should be it, right? Wait, this is right mapping. Okay, good. So then that distance is going to be the... let's do a default dictionary. Import default what's it called? Oh my god. Import what was it? From collections, import default dictionary. And then default dictionary list, and then pairs is this, the distance and the point dot append point. That should be correct, right? We store the points in that order, and then we need to create the heap. We can create the heap as we do this. We could call this heap. We want to keep what? The distance. So let's actually h.append distance, and then we can heapify dot h, and that would get us that, and then while k let's do this one here. Here we can say heap pop k times k down, and then the head of it, return the pairs at heap. What was, like, so we popped it that many times, so we should have the correct correct distance or something. So okay, I have the head should be the smallest kth closest point. So is that 0? I assume. So that's the heap, and then I take that distance value and give me a list. Okay. That was a mouthful, but I don't know if this would work. If it does, I'll be very surprised. Probably some syntax errors I forgot to... Yeah. Interesting. Maybe it's the heap. Okay, I keep forgetting heap. Am I storing the smallest? It's min heap, right? This is not even the right formula. Is it minus or plus? No, that's fine. That's good. What else could this be? What could be wrong? Let me check what is the head. What am I like kind of missing here? This is correct, right? I don't know. I'm running up on time here. Y minus, yeah. X, yep. I like to test more. I want to see how print age and pairs. Test dot. Okay, close this. Let's put in this here. Well, 1. And then what else do I need to do? I can just run it, right? Man, do I need to import the typing? From import to typing, or no, list. Huh. Am I not? Interesting. Interesting. Hold on. Wait. Python is min heap, right? Python heap is min heap, right? Yeah. The smallest is the root. Yeah. Am I getting the root correctly? This is the root, right? So this is the root. Yeah. I think I'm doing it. I'm not supposed to. I think this is the wrong thing. If it's 1. I actually don't want to decrement. I don't want to change. Oops. I don't want to change this, like, the K value. Well, let's try that. This time now it has both. And then. Okay. Let's try this one now. What did I change? Got the first one right, but number 2 definitely wrong. Yeah, I think it's my popping here. I'm not popping correctly. I'm not getting the kth closest, right? Or would this be wrong to do this? C and T, and just upgrade, like, wow, C and T less than K. C and T. I think is that the same? I don't know. Oh wow, it's very different. It's kind of the same thing. If I just had this one, it would be different. Okay, yeah, the logic was the same. I'm missing something here. I think I feel like my popping is wrong. Let me double check. So like if I oh. Yeah, so I should pop this, which means I get this one, right? 2 2, and that's the right first answer. Let's try a set of this. Oops. 1 k equals 2. Let's see this. And essentially I want to pop off oh wow, they are different, huh? Crap, that actually messes up my logic. I feel like there is something I'm missing. Oh, so I expected the answer to be grouped together because they're very different, but they are. The distance are what very close or something. 3 3 and that. Oh wow. Okay. I don't know. This is a very tricky. I expected who was the answer supposed to be? Yeah, I expected these to be together in our kind of default dictionary. Unfortunate. But very close in value. Did they mean like round down? Let me double check my math. Am I doing x minus 0 squared that, right? Origin is 0 0, right? Plus this square that, and then squared it. Oh no, I'm right. I squared by 1/2, which is the square root. So they're not the same. I don't know why. I don't get this test case here then. Very interesting. I don't know. This is a very interesting perspective here. This is a what would cause this to be like why would they be grouped together? Given an array of points square root 10. I don't know why I assumed that they would be in the same. Would I be wrong to put this like that? So I am right to put the first one. My main issue is that they're not even grouped together, unfortunately. Yeah. They're different. They have different values, but what if I .4? I don't know. I'm reaching up on time, so I think I should just look at the kind of solution here. What am I missing? Min heap. Oh, what? What am I missing the formula wrong? Am I missing the formula? I must be mistaken here. I don't know why there's no... Does that change everything? Maybe the... I must not understand the... I was kind of close. Oh, wait, that's wrong. Oh my god, this is wrong as well. Oh, wait, this is right, this is right. It's plus, right? Yeah, plus. Very confused on, I guess, the solution. I guess when I think about it, the minus is very redundant. It's not necessary. Like, you just take the value, and then I guess does that? Okay, hold on. I gotta change this. I was kind of I had the idea in my head. I just didn't know what to do with the thing here. Getting better, but now I'm missing... Oh, now I got rid of the thing here. Wow. Does that make it better? I gotta see what is different from his and theirs. So the distance plus the... I'm curious. So Python knows how to deal with lists as the data type. What do they do with it? Does it take the minimum or something? And then while the distance x, y, the min heap, add it to... That makes more sense. They're just adding the smallest one to this return k. Oh, I see what they mean. K like return k times, like the k, like k many, like 2 of the smallest. Okay, I get it. I see. Well, I don't need to change much. But the thing is, I don't need to change much. Do I need these pairs now? No. I just need you know what? Now I do need the distance, but I can now add it. Now I know like heaps or like work like that. So distance and x, y, and then you can heapify that, and then you can distance x, y. What was the thing? They put the result. Okay, that I was so close. I had a different like kind of big picture, but the idea was kind of close. I'll try again solving this again. Kind of cheated, you know. But you know, I don't want to spend more than 30 minutes on like a problem because I'm not gonna even have 30 minutes in an interview. So heap q dot heap pop h. I think that works. Let's see if it works. Oh, because I didn't freaking append anything. X, Y. Yeah, this wasn't that bad. I feel like I just misunderstood what the K meant, which is very important. You gotta understand like what they asked for. But you know, this is a win for me. I'll come visit it. I gotta start it, so I really understand it. But damn, I wish I understood what the K meant. The K meant was just like how many like K, like all the K closest, like give me the two of the closest one to the origins. Give me one of the, you know what I'm saying? For clear, yeah, like it just wasn't very clear, but you know, that's what I would ask in an interview. Like, what do you mean by K? I don't really get to do that in a leetcode, which is a sort of a limitation of leetcode, but it's okay. I think that's enough for today. I know I didn't code that much, but regardless, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, but I'll see you for tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching.